going on, guys? So today we have palm kernel. Abe or palm nut soup is what we're trying to make. So as you can see, I bought it from the market. It's on them trees. I'm not sure if you've seen them really tall trees where they're bare. So I'll put a picture up, and then they chop it down from the tree. It comes down, and then it's a delicacy. So right now, this is all the ingredients what I'm going to need. We have some famous Maggi cubes. I know this is the only kind of chemical stuff I've added. I'm sure that this helps the original taste. That's the way they make it. And we have some garden eggs as well. We're going to use garden eggs. The Scotch bonnet, that's it. We have some yellow Scotch bonnets. We've got some green ones. And then we've got some red ones as well. The palm nut, you boil it, and then I believe, I'm not sure exactly, it goes in here like so, and then you use this to smash it. Boom, 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 boom. We're going to be eating a Benkwen soup. You can have it with fufu, candied yam, rice balls, or me personally, I just have it as a soup. Oh, and did I forget to mention, we bought some tuna as well, so we're going to have some tuna in it. You can have meat, wele, trophy, all these kinds of heavy meats, but I'm looking out for my diet. Stage 1, we need to take this out. So right now, guys, we're preparing the palm nut kernel, the abe, to be smashed. So you've got to boil it up with hot water over fire, roughly 10-20 minutes. Then when it becomes soft, you can beat it, pound it in that wooden thing that I'm holding, and then that releases all the juices, all the nutrients, all the good stuff that you want. Go check the research. The vitamins in this are broad. So definitely, you throw out the actual viscous material, the fibrous material, the palm nut kernel, you throw that out, and then you keep all the juice. So the palm nut that I bear has been on fire for some time now. So we're covering it to get all the heat, and then meanwhile we're creating our base with our tomatoes, our ginger and our peppers. So right now we're going to take this and then we're going to go mash it up. So we'll see it there. So we need to go outside, mash up our palm kernel. This is original Ghana tradition style. This is how you have to make the food. So you might go outside, back in the kitchen a few rounds. So inside, we've got to make our light soup base, which all that goodness, that palm kernel juice is going to go on top of this base. So we've got some lovely smoked fish, some tuna to be precise. And then we've got our tomatoes, and inside is blended with our peppers, our gingers. We have Scotch bonnets, a few other things. And I believe that is called calco. It's a special fish. So we've got some special fish seasoning in there too. That's all traditional stuff. Don't ask me, I don't know much about it. So we're gonna bring that to a simmer. And then in the meantime, we've got more palm kernels that we need to heat and extract the juice again. I think we're gonna need to do a part 2 because this video was super labor intensive and I never knew it would take this long. So in the meantime, we're cutting up some garden egg because we're adding some garden eggs. We said the benefits in the beginning. So we need to bring all of that to a simmer, extract the juice back again, and we'll be ready. I think we're gonna have to do a part 2, guys. So anyway, comment down below if you wanna see the part 2 and we'll show you what it looks like eating it.